Okay children, let's look at this exercise children. You have done it already, isn't it? You have done it already, this exercise. It's like a revision. If you are doing exercise repeatedly, you can get practice into it, isn't it? Okay, let's go to the exercise. Let's see what exercise has been given. Read the heading carefully. Look at the picture. Say the name of the picture loud. We want to say the name of the picture loud as usual. This is the procedure, isn't it? So only we can get the each and every word or pronunciation, we can get a clear idea. Okay, next we are going to circle the correct controlled R sound, isn't it? They are given a set of R sound or or ir. Okay children, I will tell you how to pronounce each R sound. This is or, ir, or. You want to open your mouth like a O, or, ir. Okay, these are the difference between these R words. Okay, we want to circle the correct R word. Okay, first to circle the correct R word, the first step is to identify the each picture. What is that actually? We want to identify the each picture. This is, tell me what is this? This is a shark. Yes. Where did you see this shark? Yes, you will see it on the sea. Listen how the word is coming. You will see it on the sea. Very nice. Okay, tell me the spelling for the shark. Yes, H-A-R-K, shark. Okay, you are getting a R sound. If you put O, then it will become a shark. It's not a shark, it's a shark. A-R. Okay, listen to this. This is a horn. You can see it on the auto, isn't it? Okay, let's write the spelling for a horn. H-O-R-N. Horn. Here the R gets silenced, but we want to when you are pronouncing, when you are telling the spelling, you want to tell the R spelling, but when you are pronouncing, you should silence the R. Horn. Okay, O-R, horn. Okay, if OR comes, mostly we will put it on the silent. When you are telling the word, mostly the OR sound will come, then we can put it on the silent path. Okay, let's see the next one. This is skirt, isn't it? This is a skirt. Let's write the spelling for skirt. Yes, K-I-R-T, skirt. Yes, I-R. This is nurse. Let's write the spelling for the nurse. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Yes, you are getting the little short R sound and R sound. Nurse. Okay, look at the next picture. This is corn. C-O-R-N, corn. Okay, so I have told you already, when you are having a O-R, you have to just pronounce the first letter and the second letter. Corn. The O-R gets silent. Okay children, did you understand? If you have a O-R, then you should not pronounce the O-R like a corn. You should not pronounce it. You should silence the O-R word and you should pronounce the first letter and the last letter. Corn. O-R. Okay, see here, this is purse. Okay, let's write the spelling for purse. P-U-R-S-E, purse. Okay, this is a purse. But listen it carefully. Just tell the word loudly. Purse. Purse. You're getting a short A sound, isn't it? Short A sound, and you're getting nicely R sound. Then it is UR. Okay, short A sound and short A sound, and you're getting the R sound. R sound means you can put a UR. Okay, and this is jar. J A R, jar. Jar. Okay, you can now, you children listen carefully. Now you can find the difference between the purse and jar. If you put A, then it sounds like a louder. Jar. Jar. Okay. If you put U, you can sounds like a short purse. Purse. This is jar. Jar. Okay, this is AR. Listen it carefully, children. If you have a AR sound, you have a both sound, letter sound. A as well as you can get a R sound. But if you have a UR sound, the U always shorter sound and the R will pronounce it lightly. When you have OR, you should not pronounce when you are telling the word. You should not pronounce the letter OR. You just tell the first letter and the last letter like a corn, corn, isn't it? The O and R will be the silence. Okay, children, hope you understand. Let's move to the next exercise.